You're learning things you've never done before. So there's always a learning curve, and for me, it took time to kind of get the basics down and kind of understand how to use different measuring tools like micrometer and calipers. I didn't know how to use any of that. So that took time of like learning how to use the basic tools. For us, it's all about not only making parts for the train, it's also about maintaining the machines that we're working on. It's exciting just because I've never worked on trains, and then also like growing up in the Bay Area, it was such an honor to actually like work for Muni just because it's a staple of San Francisco. When I see like a finished product, I now take a step back and kind of analyze on how that product was made and what kind of machines that it took and what kind of tooling it took. So that's really exciting just to kind of take a step back and be able to see things in a new light.